Welcome to our channel. Scared to buy a used engine? Watch this first. Don't trust the low mileage tag right away. Mileage means nothing if the engine wasn't maintained. Ask for service history, oil changes, coolant flushes, receipts. If they can't show it, assume they didn't do it. Mileage is just a number until you see proof. Check the compression before anything else. Compression tells you if the internals are healthy. You don't need to be a pro. Most shops will test it for cheap. You want all cylinders within about 10% of each other. If one's low, do not buy. Look at the oil and coolant. If you see milky oil, that's coolant mixing in, bad head gasket. If the coolant looks like mud, that's rust and neglect. Both are red flags. If it's clean, that's a good sign, but still don't trust it 100% until you check a few more things. Don't ignore the engine mounts and wiring. When you're inspecting, don't just stare at the block. Look around it. Engine mounts cracked? Wiring harness cut or taped like a mess? A well-pulled engine looks clean, wires intact, mounts not ripped off. Ask for a startup video if it's not in a car. If the engine's already pulled out, ask the seller for a startup clip from before they removed it. If they say, "We didn't record it," that's usually code for, "It didn't run right." A few seconds of video can tell you everything. Beware of engines sold as core only. If you see that phrase, core only, that means it's sold for rebuild. Not running, not tested. Don't fall for the price. You'll spend more rebuilding than buying a verified used one. Get the VIN from the donor vehicle. A good seller gives you the donor VIN. You can run it through Carfax or a free VIN site to check if the vehicle was wrecked or flooded. Flood engines are nightmares. They rust internally and seize over time. Avoid too clean engines. Yeah, this one's sneaky. If the engine looks pressure washed spotless, that's not always good. Sometimes sellers clean them to hide leaks or gasket issues. A little grime's fine, but if every corner's shiny like a showroom, ask why. Always replace basic components before install. Even a good used engine needs prep. Change the timing belt or chain, water pump, spark plugs, and all fluids. These parts fail from age, not mileage. A couple $100 now saves you thousands later. Looking for quality used auto parts? Call us at 888-752-4286 for reliable used engines and transmissions today. Buy from a source that offers warranty. Last one, warranty. A legit used engine seller will offer 30 to 90 days at least. If they say, "Sold as is," be cautious. And if they do give a warranty, read it, see what it covers. Some only replace the engine, not labor. Thank you for watching.